Right. So indexing allowed here. Here also indexing allowed. Okay. Slicing allowed. Let us see whether slicing is allowed here or not. How do we declare a list? Okay. And how do we declare a tuple? With round brackets?
Round brackets.
Now slicing के लिए क्या करेंगे? Print. This will allow one say 4. Okay. Both are showing, right, this behavior. So that means slicing is allowed both in both. Okay. Now, last day we also saw concatenation allowed. Here also concatenation allowed. Replication or repetition. I'm not sure of the spelling. देख लेना. Here also replication allowed. Okay. Let us see one example. देख लेते हैं उसका. Can you see list A has been repeated twice in the single list, and it has given you a single list. Similarly, it can be done with B. Okay, so that means both are showing this. No, but that is correct, Ankit. But you have to be presentable at the same time. Okay.
Sir, Rolvin is asking about that IBM event.
Rolvin, we have not received any word. Don't worry, we will not miss out on that. If we get any communication, we'll be informing you right away. Okay. I think my chat is getting updated a bit late. Okay. Now we have seen both are allowed here. Okay. Using in loops two ways. Remember, using range and using the name identifier. Here also we have the same thing. Okay. Acha, what do we mean by using the loop two ways? That means you can do like this. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. First way is for I in A, print A, or you can do this way. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 for I in range 0 to len of, ये तुम लोग सेम लाइन में लिखोगे, ठीक है, यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं है इसलिए मैं लिख रहा हूँ len of है, and then
Sir, what is the difference between using in loop and using the loop?
सेम है वो क्या करोगे अंकित, मेरी इंग्लिश थोड़ी उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, I get stuck at times when presenting myself. सेम है, okay? इसको थोड़ा और क्लियरली लिख देता हूँ
So
मैं.
most of them are same.
हाँ, most only one difference is there. That's why I told ना कि I won't need to teach this separately. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 for I in a range 0 से len of A. Not यहाँ पे मैंने गलत लिख दिया, I wanted to print I. Okay. Correct. So not I. क्या होगा? Because here you are using index positions. So A0, A1. Here directly you will get elements. Okay. So here also similar. So here also two ways. Okay, first way and the second way. Then len function will give number of items or elements okay. Len will give same thing. इसके भी मेंबर्स को आइटम्स और एलिमेंट्स बोलते हैं. मेंबर्स भी बोल सकते हो, मेंबर्स ऑफ द लिस्ट, मेंबर्स ऑफ टपल, आइटम्स, elements. Okay. And then finally the most important one, that is the difference. It is mutable or immutable list. क्या है?
Mutable.
Immutable. Mutable. Okay.
Mutable, sir.
That means can be changed once defined at the same place. It is immutable. Okay. So this is important, right? So in fact अगर इसके साथ देखोगे strings के साथ, तो you will find even this point same. Strings में भी ये होता है. And why they are so showing the same behavior? Strings, lists, and tuples. You remember this chart of data
Because
types?
they fall under sequences.
Sequences, wonderful. Data types, we had numeric, then we had sequences, and then we had mapping types. Okay. So under this you have int, float, and complex. Within this, people also write integer or boolean. Here you have two types of values possible, true and false. Here you have three types. Okay, that is strings, lists, and tuples. Tuples you can call as lists which are immutable. And mapping, you have many, but we are going to learn only dictionary. Okay.
So what are the others in map?
There are other sets etc are there. बहुत सारे चीज है, हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे उस पर. ठीक है. Don't confuse yourself. These things, if you master it now, you will be a very good programmer. Don't worry. Okay.
So complex is not a data type.
Why not? देखो इसको एक डेटा टाइप को मैं एक और चीज करेक्ट कर देता हूँ. यूज built in data types. Built in means what? It is pre-existing, ready-made data types.
So we can create also, sir.
Wonderful question. Again, wonderful questions. Of course, we can create, and that is the main feature of Python or any object-oriented programming language. Creation of your own data type. ठीक है? उसको देखो. अब तुम पूछ दिए हो, पूछ देते हो, यही गलत करते हो ना. ठीक. I'll draw somewhere. चलो नेक्स्ट पेज में ही कर देता हूँ या यहीं पे दिखा देता हूँ. Data types itself are of two types. Built in, and second one is user defined. Okay, this is pre-existing, this you will create. There is an option to create your own data type. I can create my own data type, Piyush. You can create your own data type. You can even create your own data type students. Okay, employees, such it is possible. For that, you will have to learn the concept of classes and objects. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So can we give what function it will do also? Like what is its process?
What, sorry?
Can we give what will its, I don't know how to say, sir. Like how will it function? Can we also
नहीं वो उस पे नहीं जाएंगे, उस पे दिमाग एकदम मत लगाओ. Don't use your brain at. If time is there, if we are having a good time at the end, I'll teach you this also. Okay, ये तुम्हारे कॉलेज का कंसेप्ट
12th के बाद, sir.
Sorry?
After finishing 12th portions.
After completing programs, if we have time. हाँ, पृथ्वीराज फिर परेशान हो रहा है, देखो फिर वो दिक्कत हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So okay, sir, then why we study built-in types if we can build our own? Aditya, the reason for that is why we study built-in types and why because what they have observed the pattern.
Uniformity, sir.
Sorry?
Uniformity.
Uniformity. That is okay. Not only uniformity, for the sake of programming, they have seen or they have observed some of the common types which are frequently used, and creating data types every time you use your program. And then मान लो integer मुझे use करना है, अब integer बनाने लगे हम. First, what is an integer type, and then we store the values as per that type. It will be a hectic task every time. So all the common things or the data values that are used these days, they have already been done. So every time you don't need to create a class for that and then start storing the values of that type in the variable. That is not recommended. It will take a lot of time, and then rework will be there. So all the commonly used data types they have given you by default. That is also known as, Ankit, primitive data type. That is another term for primitive or built-in. Okay? Primitive means existing from the very beginning. Okay? We say now apes are primitive species. So it's just like it's from there from ever. So another word for built-in data types is primitive data types. ठीक है? ठीक है. So ये थोड़ा background है. इस पे just I wanted to show, and my major intention was to tell you कि which one of these are mutable. So which one are mutable? This one and this one. Okay, of these. Therefore, you can make changes once defined in the already existing list after going inside a variable and then changing the value in place. But that is not possible in another types. However, using equal to sign, you can create a new one and you can redirect the identifier and attach it to a different memory location. But in the same variable, if you want to change, okay, without creating a new one, that is only possible in what? Mutable and immutable. You can always revise previous class that we covered. That is important. Okay.
So what's the difference between strings and tuple in terms of properties?
There is only fundamental difference by the you can say by purpose. So list का usage होगा क्या? List is used to list का purpose क्या था? What was the purpose of list? Do you remember when we started the discussion of list? Because to manage more than a collection of values under a single identifier. To identify or manage more or a collection of values under a single identifier name. नहीं तो अगर 10 integers को input लेना पड़ता तो A, B, C, D, E, F, G ऐसे करके you will have to create many different identifiers which will become very difficult to manage. Okay, so to ease your purpose, to streamline the programming and the concepts, the very purpose of list is under a single identifier name you can manage a collection of values of different types as it is a heterogeneous data type. What is the purpose of string? The purpose of a string is to store what? Texts, majorly. Text inputs. Okay? So only on the basis of definition, by the purpose there is a difference, but functionality is they show the same property. Okay? Clear, Rolvin?
What is the use of tuple, sir?
Tuple ka use pe, very good question. I was coming to that only. If we have list, why do we need tuple? Lists. Why do we need tuples?
Like sir, when we want something fixed.
Correct. उसको और थोड़ा better मैं समझाऊंगा, but your answer is correct. Why do we need tuples? See, many times what happens now when you write big pieces of software, it is desirable that certain parameters should remain same. Let's say you are writing one program which will help you in scientific purposes, and therein you need to define certain. You will be using again and again certain values, and those are of fixed nature. For example, if your scientific program or which will be doing some weather forecasting or some mathematic modeling, then you may frequently need certain constants like pi. You can write pi is equals to 3.14 approximately. Then you can use कुछ भी बताओ, मान लो mass of earth कुछ है, I don't remember exactly. Then you can have what you say is
value of c.
Value of c, okay, speed of light, ठीक है, 3.8 जो भी है 10 to the power 6 और 10 to the power 8 meters per second. तो इस तरह करके अलग अलग चीज होंगे जिनके कांस्टेंट्स होंगे वैल्यू. And are these values supposed to change during the entire program or any part of the computation? No.
No, sir.
Right. So all such constants, our intention is that they should be used again and again, but we will be declaring them in the variable and then we'll be using identifiers wherever required in expressions. Okay. But Many a times what happens is, at times due to the malfunctioning of code or the machine or the programmer, due to the programmer's error, logical error, program itself may modify the own constant. ठीक है, by mistake. जैसे कि मान लो if some condition is met, गलती से प्रोग्रामर ने, मान लो प्रोग्रामर को लिखना था I is equals to 2, उसने गलती से लिख दिया pi is equals to 2. ठीक है, तो फिर क्या हो जाएगा, पूरा होल कैलकुलेशन विल गो रॉन्ग और फिर किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा. एंड द रिजल्ट्स दैट विल बी ऑब्टेन्ड विल बी, मतलब कि कुछ अलग ही आ जाएगा, समथिंग डिफरेंट यू विल गेट. ओके, सो in order to avoid such things, all such constants will be done what in good programming practice? You will declare a variable C, which will be of nature tuple, and then you will declare first one as.
Sir, but the mistake can be found out, sir.
Sorry?
Instantly. Mistake can be found out instantly.
But you know, okay, if program is spanning across, let's say, no mistake नहीं ना देगा ये, समझो बात को. This won't give mistake. How will you come to know it is mistake? अगर 2 के जगह I के जगह pi को तुमने 2 कर दिया, तो I will be retaining its last value, pi will be using the modified value in the program. Program will run successfully. It will generate some report, but report will be miscalculated. Ankit, are you understanding? Program won't crash.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. तो और तुम रिपोर्ट को ट्रस्ट करके उसके बेसिस पे कुछ नया टेक्नोलॉजी बना रहे हो, that technology itself will fail. Okay, you know, one of the NASA का explorations था, I'll just go take 2 minutes to explain that how important are these things, such logics in programming. One of the space missions NASA का fail किया था, you know why? They checked everything was fine. ठीक है, that rocket was carrying some satellites or something, was to take off. ठीक है, so they simulated, they analyzed it, they checked it again and again, everything was working fine. But you know what happened? The day of the launch, they launched it. After going certain height, it blasted in the air. There was a blast. Everybody was surprised what went wrong. And you know what went wrong? ये programmer की गलती होती है और जो verify करते हैं उनकी गलती होती है. Everything was as expected. Huh?
Were the constants wrong?
No, not constants were not wrong. I'm just giving an example. That's on different line. What was happening is, constants को लेके ही था, there was some temperature conversion. So that machine, that rocket used some, I think some German या कुछ equipment use कर रहा था as thermostat or for measuring the temperature or something. Okay, but what happened is कि and that equipment used to take temperatures in Kelvin. पर जो इनके कैलकुलेशन और प्रोग्रामिंग लिखे हुए थे ना, वो that was using centigrade. तो कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि दिस मशीन जो ये फिगर दे रहा था कोड में बार बार सेंटीग्रेड को इमेजिन करके, दैट इट वाज एक्सेप्टिंग एज केल्विन. तो फिर वो
So
आगे
that is not at 270 degrees, sir.
हाँ, समथिंग वैसा ही कन्वर्जन का दिक्कत हो गया था. वन पीस ऑफ इफ देन एल्स वुड हैव सॉल्व्ड द प्रॉब्लम, वुड हैव सेव्ड सो मच ऑफ मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स. ठीक है, तो उस तरह की दिक्कतें हो जाती है कि ये छोटा छोटा कैलकुलेशन को डिफरेंस होने से. ओके, एंड सच एरर्स आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड. बताओ, वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट साइंटिस्ट एंड प्रोग्रामर्स वुड हैव सैट देयर एंड दे इग्नोर्ड दिस फैक्ट कि दिस वी आर राइटिंग द प्रोग्राम अज्यूमिंग सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर, बट द न्यू इक्विपमेंट और द थर्मोस्टेट देयर दैट इज यूजिंग केल्विन स्केल. एंड वो जाके कुछ ऐसा मिसकैलकुलेशन हुआ, इतना हीट जनरेट हो गया कि वो ब्लास्ट कर गया. तो सच थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन प्रोग्रामिंग. ठीक है, यूजिंग करेक्ट वैल्यूज इन वेरिएबल्स एंड कांस्टेंट्स एंड प्रिवेंटिंग एनी चेंज एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. Okay, so therefore, I'll use 5 more minutes and then we'll disperse. Therefore, changes are not desirable for certain constants in program. ठीक है, not affordable, I'll write. Desirable का बात ही नहीं है, afford ही नहीं कर सकते. It will be fatal or something. Affordable in programs for certain variables. even by mistake. Okay, such constants may be defined as a tuple, not in a tuple, as named in a tuple. Okay, so याद रहेगा कि पहला is this, then 3.8 into 10 to the power जो भी है 0 whatever you are writing for speed of light up, and then you will use mass of earth कुछ है कुछ some value, then Avogadro's constant, इलेक्ट्रॉन का मास या कुछ भी बहुत सारी चीजें, ठीक है, तो प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट मान लो ये सब चीज तुमने लिख दिया है, एंड देन व्हाट विल हैपन इज प्रोग्रामर नोज कि C0 is pi, C1 is speed of light, C2 is mass of earth, C3 is let's say Planck's constant. जब भी उसको पाई यूज करना होगा वहां पे वो क्या यूज करेगा C0. गलती से भी even if inside the program by mistake also if you write C0 is equals to 2, the program will crash there itself. Why? Being a tuple, that C0 can never be modified. Understood?
Sir, so they did not use tuples, NASA scientists.
They did not use, अरे मैं वो लोग क्या use किए थे, I'm not going into that. ठीक है, they did not write the program for conversion. That was not related to tuples. They did not write the program for converting centigrade to Kelvin. एक छोटा सा if else लगा के या expression लिख के कर देते ना तो वो सही value आ जाता, ठीक है, but that was a different thing. I was trying to suggest you how important is it to be very sure about the type of data you are using, or to be very sure before modifying the data inside the program by the program. ठीक है, so
Sir,
if
this
you are
error.
हाँ यहाँ पे क्या होगा, यहाँ तुरंत पकड़ लोगे, क्यों? क्योंकि ये जहीं कोई कांस्टेंट, the moment your program or anyone from outside tries to modify the program at the time of execution, this constant values at the time of execution, ये तुरंत it will throw error. Why? Throws error यहाँ पे क्यों थ्रो करेगा एरर?
Because 3.14 cannot be modified to 2.
Why it cannot be modified? Because it is an element of the tuple, and elements type tuple being a immutable type cannot be, elements cannot be modified, or tuple cannot be modified. Throws error as elements of tuple cannot be modified. Being immutable. Rather, tuple being immutable. So now do you get the purpose? Do we already have list? Why do we need tuples? So when you want a set of values to change, never change during the course of execution of the program, even by mistake, then those set of values may be specified in the form of elements of a tuple being immutable. Okay. So is it clear the purpose?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Girls, Pooja, Nanika and Ruchika, बताइए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So this is all about tuples. I'll send you a mix assignment today. You will try to solve, है ना? उसका जो क्वेश्चन नहीं बनेगा इग्नोर करना. नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल सी, अब ज्यादा नहीं बच गया है. I'll write what we will see in the next class and then we'll end up. ठीक है? So next class will be for nested loop patterns. ठीक है, एंड देन बिल्ट इन मेथड्स फॉर, वो आगे के क्लासेस में कुछ टपल स्ट्रिंग और लिस्ट से रिलेटेड कुछ बिल्ट इन मेथड्स हैं, दे आर लेफ्ट. ठीक है, चलो विल एंड अप डिस्कशन टुडे, विल मीट नेक्स्ट. इसको पढ़ लेना, जस्ट रिवाइज इट, देयर इज नथिंग मच. जो लिस्ट का एप्लीकेशन होगा वही टपल का भी एप्लीकेशन होगा, बोथ विल बी हैविंग द सेम एप्लीकेशन. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट you have to keep in mind that elements of the tuple cannot be modified once declared.
सर कल 2 क्लास रहेंगे.
हाँ बिल्कुल, we will have 2 classes. Okay. It's for your benefit. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ज्यादा पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ, है ना. जितने जल्दी